Hi, this is Manthan Kulwal from scrapingdog.com. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can use the LinkedIn job scraping API to scrape jobs from LinkedIn at uh, scale. So let's first start with the documentation. So here we are at the LinkedIn job scraping API documentation page. So let me just give you a quick overview how you can use the API. So you have to pass API key that is required. Then you have to pass the field. This field has like you can pass either the name of the company or the job title as well. And then we have geo ID. This is the ID of each location, and you can find this in the LinkedIn jobs URL page. Then we have page parameter, which where you have to pass the page number. It should be greater than 0. For each page number you will get maximum 25 jobs. Then we have sort by filter, through which you can filter out jobs by day wise or week wise or monthly. Then we have job type filter, through which you can extract jobs on the basis of contract or volunteers or full-time or part-time or temporary. Then we have experience level. This is another filter which you can use to extract jobs according to internship and entry level, associate, mid senior level, director. Okay, so let's start with a basic API call. Right now I'm extracting first page for GeoID 103644278. This is the GeoID of United States of America. Then I have set the field as Amazon. I am extracting all the jobs from Amazon offered in USA. Then I have passed my API key, and then I will just send the API GET request to the API. And this is what I get. I get job position, I get job link, job ID, company name, company profile, job location, job posting date. Let's say I just need a complete overview of this particular job. Then I will just copy this. I will pass this as a job ID and I will paste it over here. I will unmark these and I will send another GET request. Okay, I got the complete overview of that job. That it is and the job position is executive assistant, media and entertainment communications. This is the location, this is the company name, this is the company link ID, LinkedIn ID. Uh, this is the job posting time. It was posted 1 week ago. This is the complete description of the job. And then we have the seniority level, the employment type, job function, industries, job link. You can even apply you the from this link for the job. And we have recruiter details. If the recruiter details is available on the page, then our API will also reflect that. Other than that, you get similar jobs and people also viewed. So this is the complete data you get from our API. You can scale it, like you can scrape millions of such jobs on a regular basis with the API without getting blocked. You can start for free with 1000 API calls. Each API call to LinkedIn job search API will cost you 5 credits, and you can start as small as $30 per month. If you have any queries, then you can send us an email at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.